We're coming to the end of section 1. Still got 6 more to go, I believe. 6 more main sections to go, as well as our resources and what to do next, but we'll worry about that when we get there. Let's summarize section 1 before we get into your homework for this section. So what did we learn? Forex and futures markets are two different things. Forex deals with currencies, where the futures markets are either commodities or indexes, or they call them indices. Forex trading instruments are usually pairs of currencies, so go through them, figure out which ones you want to trade. If you want something a little more consistent and more predictable, not saying it's easier, but there's a system to it, I would look at the euro dollar or the pound dollar, or really anything paired to the dollar. They're going to flow in a much nicer way. Pairs like the pound yen, they move and they got some big wicks, so it's kind of hard if you don't know what you're doing. You might get stopped out a lot. So I definitely recommend just stick with the euro dollar if you're going to do Forex and start testing on that. We also talked about the different market orders. So you could get in on market, limit, stops, and the same thing the opposite way to get out of your positions that you're in. So if you're wanting to get out of your buy, you're selling. If you want to get out of your sell, you're buying. We talked about leverage, how it could help you, but it also could hurt you. So don't over leverage yourself and just stick to the basics. We're not here in the States, we're not allowed to go over 1 to 50. So that's what I'm using. I'm perfectly fine with that. I don't need 1 to 500. It would only blow my account faster if I take a loss. Don't over leverage and have proper risk management. We also learned that currencies and markets move together or against each other. So there's correlated markets, negative correlation, positive correlation, and neutral ones where they don't really affect each other, and how you're going to use that to your benefit to get a better understanding of price action in the future. Again, this is just to get you ready and primed. We're going to dive into all this later in the course, so just take it baby steps at a time. Make sure you're taking your notes, and when we get into the homework assignment in the next video, do your homework assignment and do it well so you could actually learn. Don't rush through this course. We did not build this course for you to rush. We built this course so we could actually build you up, build your skills, and give you a solid foundation of being a trader. The last thing we covered was liquidity and volatility, what that is. Well, again, we'll go into this deeper later. Just understand the basics of it, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll dive into your first homework assignments.